Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to reduce motion sickness on your iPhone. Now, reducing motion feature on iPhone is designed to help minimize motion-related discomfort, particularly for users who are sensitive to visual effects that can cause motion sickness. Now, firstly, you need to go to your settings. There now you can see the option accessibility. You need to tap on that. And there you can see the option motion. You can simply tap on that. Now at the top you can see reduce motion. You need to enable that button in order to reduce the motion sickness. After that, there you can see the option show vehicle motion cues. You need to tap on that. Now three options will be provided. You can either tap on automatic or you can tap on. Now there you can see this dots. All you need to do is move your phone according to your direction. Now you can simply go back. And now you can see that your reduce motion sickness mode has been turned on iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.